What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk a bit about Ferrari F1 model. Not this one. Talking about this one. This one is Tamiya Ferrari F310B. It's a quite old model. You can see here. This is an old Ferrari F1 shape model. If I'm not mistaken, this is from late 90s or maybe the early 2000 product. Search online, I cannot find the real model for this code name, so maybe Tamiya has a specific code name for this model. So this is an authentic product. So you can see here, Ferrari official product. There's a code here and a prancing house. Okay, this is a 120 side of the box. Before that, let me turn on the light because it's quite dark. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside. All plastic, original resin with a red color. This is all from the upper body for the model. So this is the rim, all the strut bar, all the coil, all black color. Last strip is the lower body, where they have all this engine, crankshaft, shaft parts and so forth. And this is the sticker. It's not open it yet. Inside also sorts this a guide manual. See here, it's a normal Tamiya guideline manual. Have English and Japanese, and also a few Germans. Just want to do a simple run out to show that. As you can see here, the black parts is mostly on this joint here. We have engines, this drive shaft, this exhaust parts, the sticker and the decals here. Manual says this you need to use water. So we have more part here, sideway parts. Of course, tire also uses decals, Goodyear tire decals, rims, to the back. This is the steering. Surprisingly, the monocoque is not really detailed, but I trust Tamiya product. All their product are E quality, type quality. That's how the F1 car is. Maybe I will do another video on more detailed part. This is just unboxing. See what's inside this. open the rubber tire. This is maybe the joint for the wheel. This is the sticker and the decals just now. So if you try to detach this from this this plastic strip, be careful, because after this you need to clean all this burr right here, and also this because this tire part you can use it manually because it will cover by the tire, but other part make sure you use cutter. So this is just for the unboxing. I just want to show how it looks like on the wheel, with the wheel, tire and the wheel. Wow. This is how this rim and the tire looks like. We can have some other color to make it stand out. This is more like a sprint tire. I'm always impressed with Tamiya model kit strip because they are good quality products. Here. Maybe I wrongly attached it. This is for the back one because it's not the same size. Yes, it's not the same size. It's just a there you have it, on this badass looking tire with the rim. I think it is very interesting. You can see here strip of this Tamiya. See what is the material. Sometime at the strip they will put the type of material that they use, but so far here they don't have any. But the detailing is quite good. You can see here there's a Ferrari lettering there. Okay, other than that it's just there's a detail of a Tamiya auto parts. So you have strip C, strip B and strip A. This is the body and the monocoque. Actually F1 have a inserted monocoque for the driver to sit in. Is a if in usual or exact model, monocoque is the most important part because it is where the driver have this safety built, engineering built, where they focus on the safety of the driver. The decal for the tire. I think I'm not going to open yet, just look at here. Maybe I'm going to do another separate video on how am I going to build this model. I gotta say, I'm impressed with Tamiya product. They're quite beautiful. They wrote here 1997 Tamiya, so I can conclude that this is a model they copied from Schumacher era. So the late 90s is where the Ferrari reigned at its best, when Schumacher is his prime. His rival is at that time is Mika Häkkinen and David Irvine, if I'm not mistaken. So there you have it, my unboxing for this Tamiya model kit, Ferrari F1. I'm still not sure what is the material they use for this plastic resin for these strips. Maybe I will do some research online in the next video. That's it. Inside this, there's a normal Tamiya box, and that's conclude my unboxing. Feel free to watch my other unboxing of model kit model, because I haven't got time really to finish all the model builds, but I'll take time because I don't want to look weird, and I'm still new to editing. So hopefully you guys can give a comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on the next video. Peace.